In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 and PS5. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. You need to follow these steps and your problem will be solved. Here are 4 methods for that. Method number 1. Log out of all sessions. Open Roblox on your console and then it keeps on loading on a grey background. Then do this. Close Roblox on the console. Then go to your phone or other device on Roblox. Go to settings. Then go to security. Look for where you are logged in and click log out of all other sessions. Then launch Roblox on console and you will have to log in again and your problem will be solved. Method number 2. Disconnect PlayStation. Go to Roblox on app. Then go to settings. Under security section, disconnect PlayStation. It will log you out of Roblox on app and on PlayStation. Then log back in on app and use quick login in Roblox on PlayStation using the app. Method number 3. Rebuild database. Press the power button on the front panel until the system shut down. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Wait for the power indicator to stop blinking. Then press and hold the power button until the hear two beeps, one immediately and another after 10 seconds. Then connect your DualShock controller via USB. Then press the PS button on the controller. Then select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. This process may take a while depending on the amount of data you have. Method number 4. Clear cache. Restarting the console's cache can resolve the issue. Turn off the PS4, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This process can clear temporary data that might be causing loading related problems. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.